Kampala, they bring them to Ghana.
Hey, you, come. I hear that Mako. Where are you taking me to? We're going home. Going home where? I'm gonna take you to my father's house. Where is your father's house? In this bush? We're not in the bush, do you understand? So we are not in the bush. I'm taking you home. I told you I'm gonna take you to my father's house. Do you understand? So where are we? Yeah, I'm looking for the road to my father's house. Yeah. It's been a long time I came down to Africa. Do you understand? Shit, I don't even know home to your father's house. Lego, you better chill. Do you understand, Lego? Yeah. You better chill. I'm taking you home. Do you understand? Hello. We're on the road to Obama.
Wait, Obama.
What's it then? We're going to Obama and we're missing the route to Obama, and I want you to show me the route to Obama.
Ah, you mean you are going to Obama?
Oh yeah, Obama.
Okay, this is the route.
This route? Yeah. Thank you very much.
Okay.
You. You sure? Yeah. Hey. Are you sure you know the road? Yeah. Don't fucking mislead me, okay? The fucking sure. We're going to my father's house. Do you understand? You better chill.
What is he doing here?
What's up, Peter? What? Peter? Peter, what are you doing in Ghana?
Back for good, do you understand?
Back for what? Who are you working about?
Peter!
Oh, you have fun.
Peter, who do you?
Boys Abro! Boys Abro! Boys Abro! Peter and Paul, they live in America, yo. And so wahala, they bring them to Ghana.
What? Ah, Eliasama!
Please, Judah, I'm begging in the name of God. I feel I'm doing too much this cry. Somebody buy your back. Until you can send a bit the check grab back.
And American say, if you have the minute in your month now, so it's better you send that evil son of yours away right now. There's no way I will live in this house with him. That is what I'm saying.
Hey, Bianca, what take my chassis? Give you another one worry me. Now be worse. But look at me. Me poucho. Please.
Honey, we are some can now. What the American waba? Money uncle, but this was all better than half for good. For why good with you?
Wouldn't you tell in your man was some of the buy?
Yeah. That is.
You see, it's in that why?
Yeah. Hey, yo. You gotta drop this shit. You understand?
What?
You gotta go there and drop it. Oh, stop.
Yes.
That's it. Oh, yo. Yeah, man. Daddy. What's up, dudes? Yeah, what's up, dudes? What's up? Come on, what the hell is this, man? My stepmama. For real? Yeah, my stepmama fucking told you about me. Your papa? It's a long story. We'll tell you all about it later. Do you understand? But I'm here with my brother from another mother. Do you understand? Your pops, without this motherfucking nigga here, your motherfucking son would have been a dead carcass in the street of New York. Do you understand?
That's my brother, man. I can do anything for you, man.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, who is this man?
Oh man.
Damn.
Yeah.
See, my name is Paul, man.
Yeah.
Paul Kwame. You see, what the niggas on the street call me the little pig.
The little
I'm
pig.
fucking king of the street, man.
You understand?
Yeah.
Excuse you.
Okay, man.
Don't you have parents in Ghana?
Wow! He's a grown-up. Damn.
Tell you what? It's better you go to your house. He is in his father's house. So better leave this house this very minute.
Shit. He is my brother from another mother. Do you understand? You cannot suck him from
Please stop the nagging and the swearing and the shouting. You are talking to your father.
Let me tell you something, man.
There's a phone.
Wow.
Anyway, what did you say your name is?
Oh, me? My name is Paul. P-A-U-L. Paul.
Thank you so much for saving my son.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Let you fear, man. Let you fear.
You bad,
Honey, what's your sir? Huh? I'm gonna go check the diving. So does it mean I'm coming to live in this house with these two riffraffs? Honey, please don't do this. But what you about to come on? No, going to for. And Colombia, you need to be no one to here. Oh, no problem. Only the secret has a clear answer of America. Me who you are here, you are covered by what they come. On some question in the diving. Oh, what is here? I'm from America, but what is here? What is here? And then.
Yeah, Marcasa. Hell no, Marcasa too much. I have a very high mountain to climb.
Boys Abro!
Please.
Boys Abro! Boys Abro!
Yeah, I've heard all that you have to say. Now it's my time to speak. If you two want to live in this house before I find something for you to do, then there are rules and regulations that must be strictly, I'm using the word strictly because I'm a strict man, be obeyed. First of all, I don't expect any of you to take alcohol. Secondly, no smoking in this house. Third, I don't want any of you to bring a girl, or let me use a lady into this house. Last but not the least, which is very, very important to me, none of you should lay your hands on my brand new car.
What?
I hope I'm clear.
Dad.
Use the old one, please.
Dad, you cannot do this in America. Do you understand? We have a thought on this. Do you understand?
Thought on what? Now you two should listen to me very carefully. If you can't handle the rules and regulations in this house, I guess it's not too late for you guys to go in there, pack your things, and leave this instant.
Damn! You can't do this, man. It's democracy, man. You gotta calm down, okay? You gotta chill. If Peter had to be your biological son, will you ask him to get out of your house?
Who will be my biological son? Honey, are you just sitting down there watching these riffraffs to insult me? Please, deportees, to disrespect me in my own husband's house. Now you. Listen to me. If he is your father, he's my husband as well. And this is my husband's house. If you can't handle the rules, go in there, pack your things, and go wherever you came from. Rubbish!
No, man. It's democracy, man.
This is my house. You can't bring your fucking shit language into this house.
Did you just hear what he said? He used the F word.
He is wrong. I hear this, man. Shit. Let me tell you something, man. You're a dude, man. Damn, you can make a good nigga, man. You're a fucking nigga on the street, man.
Well, you know what?
Keep it up.
I love him when he's angry. You understand? He reminds me of Al Pacino in the movie Skullface.
Yeah, you're right, man. You know what? Your dad is a great dad on the street, man. You will make a great dad on the street, man. Damn, I like that, man. Damn, you just said fucking shit, man. I like that, man. Damn. Oh, let me tell you this.
Pressure, I need to see my doctor. Pressure.
Fire is burning in Soweto. No idea. I said, I may pama baby and I go to a room. Go baby, I saw my son TMC. The battle have just begun. But I want to fuck a shit. I'm sorry. I'm too gentle.
Peter and Paul, they live in America, yo. And so wahala, they bring them to Ghana.
Time no abba and call him Murphy.
And the beer kaki, Missy Fem, small drawer, and many dear go home to me for kaki. Find some, you see, I am a protocol car. The boarding.
Oh, and he said, who be a mimiana?
Maybe so, Cobanacus will cook good damn keys.
When maybe I'm a do 2 years, free geneso. Minim, send a table be no mujina so no you, says you. Send them to tell you.
Media can't hear me. So, no, I don't care. But as a car, what? Said Missy Boom, boom, Fiam.
Drink a can of my bread.
Which one could I mean training for me? Chemical.
Very bonus. Star boy. Them say them but I swear them do nothing, no way. Them say them go show the punch, but I swear them no reach, oh way. 20 man shall fall that day if you cross my lane, oh way. All your man shall fall that day if you cross my lane. No, you're back to the mat, open and close, touch your toes. Baby, oh yeah, yod, back to the mat, open and close, touch your toes. Oh yeah, baby, oh yeah, yod, back to the mat, open and close, touch your toes. Oh yeah, baby, oh yeah, yod, back to the mat, open and close, touch your toes. Oh yeah, baby, oh yeah, yod. Kerewa, sarewa, sarewa ba, kubeniwa, baby.
What, man? What the fuck, man? Shit! Fella, hot foot, man. Damn. Cut inside, man. Shit. What's the problem, man? Cut inside. You know what? We're gonna party until mama comes, man. Yeah, this is making my father's house. You understand that? Hey,
what's the meaning of this?
Man.
Let me have my kiss.
What is that?
Let me have my kiss.
Your kiss, man. Shit, damn.
What damn, so who's up with your body?
Shit. Come on, baby. Oh, baby, you have to kiss that. Oh, that shit. Daddy, good night. What's that? Daddy, good night. Inside that shit.
Come here, sweetheart. Come here.
Let me catch you with train car, but Indian no Becca. Saka we events and body.
Let me see who shame with the money brother when there. Now you're with the next no matter the flower, me boy.
Trust me, make way inside. Trust me, we leave that to me. What's this? Oh, events and body. 650 million.
Me preach. What's your way then? When I go with you, I mean, get a worry. Wow, we are bamboo. We are a cassava. Messing you. I'm in Francola. Where do you messing you? Mafia. Oh, my fear. Where do Mafia? Wow, family, you know. Oh, I'm not very good. Oh, that's a sense. We are making casa. Change is a seminar. Change, I am a team, my papa, Obama say, obey say. Say, oh, too late, but I didn't know they grew, obey say, Obama say. One, Papa!
He just, you know, Monsieur Bechard knows who
Becho, young Tamay, Champagne say, Papa!
My show when you were never today.
Papa! Or just one of us will pay our time.
Okay.
Papa! Oh, yes, so, and then, to open a year, baby.
Will see you.
I have champagne say,
My show when you
walk on San Moto, would you hold your in the boom or bass only Manu? Come. Papa! Hey, what is so? Hey, put on Papa! Ah, what is so? Where do Papa?
Papa, jemu.
What I said? Papa.
Mama, we did it way. But the question is where they. Papa, I'm not here, son. What are you sending? Jemu. Let them go fast. But it's worse ahead. I am pressing. Papa. I know it's where they. It's where I want to be press. My man to have a falco. Welcome, Papa. You. Patty. Somebody can say I'm father. I don't catch your mom. You must make him because I'm got what more would have not to be doing. Most of your situation about to deal with it. Deal with it. No control boiling. What's right? Papa, Mammy, can I tell you? I want to tell you. You. And it. What did you buy? Just go to. What are you? What is? Hey! I'm not going to know. I want to bring you home. I don't Person you come back, me know you. Yeah, me come for you. Oh, yeah, me come for you. Say, you tin and I buy it for your investigation. Because I'm with them, I'm with them. Media, come with them, come with them. Media, as you might be. Me never done it. And the Nicia, AC, you get them feminine for football. What I say? Mina mawa dream. I said, Kumba Bemano and a cuckoo fish. Sanka, and home by Sanka Bampo. I didn't bet him some matching and carboning from a poison. William don't come. Yeah, winning Papa, William don't come. I dear M1 and so ye. If you are quadra, you a baby was a son of was Sakra, Wakoya Papa. What I said, when Timaka Kumera. Yeah, very good. Also, can me know you. Man, come here. Never. Oh, me know you. I never more never. Me dem Queenie pa. I bent to my cousin bomb you. I buy just over that in a chap and I got on my poison. Oh, yeah. Oh, I won't get this. No, yeah, a captain for me, madam. One day, one cousin out of a child. That's it. What do you do for pulling up on wedding? For 2 years, saying, I'm in the air, madam. And I'm going to say, yeah, because I'm the kind with him in the house. Yeah, with him there. Village, no, because that's my dear, no, come back. 7 much more sure, I don't know. I think, yeah. I tell one on you.
Boys are brave. Peter and Paul, very small and wise. Boys are brave. A big mix, anything yo, was a sit down. Nana no sit there. Dippy mommy, dippy no.
This is my best friend from America. Do you understand? His name is Paul.
Hi, your friend Paul.
Oh yeah,
Paul.
Damn, buddy. You see your auntie look better, man. She is good, man. Damn.
Yeah.
This is what we call old school mama, man. She's good, man.
And you will not say me cow.
Damn. I can't believe this, man. You fucking good, man. Shit.
David.
Yeah. Oh, her fat?
Oh, baby,
Yeah.
what's wrong with that?
Yeah.
Who fear did say? What is your house name?
Your name.
Oh, my name.
And your house name. Your house name.
Oh, man, I'm Kwame, man. Kwame Poe, man. Yeah. I love the way you're feeling, man. You're feeling good, man. Yeah.
She's saying you good, you comedian, you joker, you jovial.
Oh my God! You said that? I'm gonna take you to the United States, man. Fuck shit, man. You good? Man, you feeling good. You lively, man. Damn.
Oh yeah.
You see me in my son.
You did? Fuck it, I'm loving you, man. Chop it up to me. Good. What? Did you see that? She chopped knuckle. Oh man, she colored knuckle. Yeah, I'm liking your style, man. Wow. Feeling good, man. Man, you good, man. Damn, you ain't like shaky boy to wear, man.
Me, Swati, dance. Or say somebody. Sing for her, and she's gonna dance.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
You wanna dance?
Yeah, she wanna dance.
Damn, nigga, where you waiting for, man? Shit, man. What you waiting for, man? Where you waiting for?
If you had no,
It's Triple C. Color cut clarity.
Yeah.
I'm dirty. My brick clean. I'm lying dirty. My dick clean. She talk dirty. Get your MC Hammer. I'm about cream. I got 30 cars. Whole lot of dancers. I take them everywhere. I'm MC Hammer. Started selling dope. I'm too legit to quit. When it's hammer time, I'm pulling up the stick. I'm at the car.
You must be good, man.
I'm going
Damn. I like this flat.
They front a couple more. I take them home like I do my hoes. I dress them up. I buy them clothes. Glass slippers. Glass toes. Now she acting brand new on you assholes. Limousines. I did that. 2 doors. My top back. I'm circumcised. I put
You think you're in the park?
Damn.
Come on, get up.
Hey, let's go.
Oh, man, I see you later, man.
Let's go.
See you later, man. Fucking shit, man.
Brofo, what would Mr. Back? What no by the brofo?
Sister, Sir Bela, we Cremonica said Bela and Marco. 2 little rats. Also, Monica.
But then I will come to some sir. When young Colette just a real combat you and me. What's wrong with your Bela? I know, yes, sir.
Me the Peter Colland and so Gushia dear. No, my doctor. When Gushia dear will go to America about the poor. Imagine Peter and Paul. I call them the 2 P's.
Now, now, I dear almost share the bed a buy, say, Pity, well, rapo, papa.
We don't be firm, just one day.
Don't me.
Anyway, Akaba.
Yeah.
No, I'm going
Boko.
Enter Anna
Mate.
We are from Bela.
So many years, I don't know.
word. I know.
Until be the other and the command, the nickel from which Taban.
Bagan.
I know what you
Ballon, you can ballon. And then I'm waiting. I'm in a way.
And I'm Papa, I'm a TV. I will push him and a man. I
was a student.
Baba Jajaj. They will warm up one day only. There's a man that made my betting back home. We want to go and come to me.
And I'm betting good.
Whoa, the minimum. Ah, over years I have to move.
And I'm betting good.
Papa, the castle, maybe not to marry. Papa, you're done better.
Hey, Cockabody. We are living in the back.
Certainly, you're good in the bazaar.
Very Johnny.
Very good. Hope a good JB. But why am I not some deals now? Ah,
why then I go in there? We went in for. I'm so can I win for a massive mouth food. I'm sorry to cry and go. And bye bye. You got to my eyes, Yaba. Over our very money. nanam hensa man from a church hensa munana na champion ana mijina ha mena makasi nana ame ponyo mo ma ni munyina samenyo so ye mena mijina he chedian pon ami ensa osuna sasia ensa ye kwa mi nkuruma pa ye ensa ananu enne samle mijina he muntina mijina mekudi amudi jame eno mekuta bezune ana mede besha munsa srema se gudi nananum samanfo abus metwa ehia ni pepiala obana je gudi eno obefa de dane no so emi po waya bonti sunio waya mabushi eno nananum nko abofra no esa se gudi bedi mensano menyane we manum nkukui asumem fa bi nkodi no obedi die nananum mesama ne mamu enna chei agudi muntina mode mami mapom ho ban efitite bedune mema wo menche obi e ka mejere ka ana agudi o no boboti boni so be fesika no agudi no edi akọ sabotin suni se fieni nubusheni nananum ofa munkunu fiasi mi jire agudi me se ma jise mi dibi ana me fa kwa nananum munkume na mimbo na makume na mema omu ya mtoso semu se bebia mnembiala bampon kama ho meno mo shamonsa me defini mi fibem menem me mafam enyina shamonsa nananum mepa bodu na so de anana munti me pose ne mamo me kuni shemo ni monyam monyensa me se twede mbo kwa me se onfa me bani se be papa e mami yakopon fa internet se ni faso na so babie ma woni me na champion ye woni me play gudi hu bi tinana e shira munsa me baba no wenye jimiji mwashada pa ofagodo ebienti wa jimiji no wo fa pem nkunu fiasi nana medamasi se motie mi yebe mutua enkame yatuma dua enkame yebo pobonia si ebu mkoma mekon nane bodu bani mu bodu bani enedie ya masaka mi mamu kosia enen koko on fanchemi
Me say that junior eat. It's like we on every street. Every top girl want it. Tap up on top, me I give them that one and name. Me say that junior eat. It's like we on every street. Every top girl want it. I tap up on top, me I give them gas in know. That junior mad up. Inna the Gaza, inna the gully, it turn up. And I hands up thirst, them I give me thumb up. Head concussion, guantal Russian. I gonna me bun man a African boy. You see me and the gal them na bada ask why. And me them a rate me na lack up no blind. Loud them fi come get a ride. The rhythm a bad, na soft not easy. I go at and them make them get busy. Necessary evil can't refuse it. Boom bang in at the party. Me say that junior eat. It's like we on every street. Every top girl want it. Tap up on top, me I give them that one and name. It is all.
Efrifia. Kwano no. Ene yede do fiasa. Omo no hwan. Omo ge si ne ba. Omo ge si ne ba. Oh, you told me to ko si omo papa conference just only 3 days no. And no master mechi asasa ma be go fi higher party me kwa. Me sure ni so bia. Omo tete wan. And I wish omo no mo de man san so beti. Wo di nti na wo fia.
Madam no wa kaka maka bia wo di matter. Foi mo do mechi. Listen me maka 350.
Don't watch nobody dance on the crack. Come in on the yard, bust me a wine. That sanya sweet like sugar cane wine. Easy no baby, no broke, that's fine. You make sure it never out a line. Kind of top girl and bad girl. Them a run like a rich girl. And I keep a feeling special. Run, me a run, my son. I roll, in a every nook and cranny.
What is the meaning of this rubbish?
You're killing my phone, man. What's the problem? Shit. What's the problem?
Please, don't even go there. Don't even start with me.
Wow! Enough of this nagging stepmama.
What?
This is my father's house. I'm told to do what I want. Do you understand?
Peter, are you talking to me like this?
Oh, yeah!
This is a shower girl.
Hey, what's the problem?
Who is that shower?
You calling my baby show, man? Fuck you, man. Shut here, man. Shit. Stay here, man. Stay there. Stay there. Fuck what you said, me, man. Fuck you, man. Here, nigga. You better wear your same mom. The next time you try to push it, I can put a trigger on her, man. Here. Walk her, man. You know what I mean, man? The little pig. Free some for you, man. Come to her. Get out outside, man. Shit.
Hey, stepmama, I'm gonna warn you for the last time. The next time you come into my happiness, I'm gonna pull the trigger on your head. You understand? I'm gonna bust your head off. You understand?
What's so yes no ma open now yeah. Ikoka wana sama wabeka brofo. Damn, you gotta chill my man, you know what I'm saying? If you joke with me, I'm gonna blow your motherfucking head up. Shit!
Messi will back kaya mo bene me fia. Wonya sure say report me free. Baby you free mo better yes mo fia. Because ba oba ye me medwe ho amenti ase. School ya do call say ko wa brochira wa anko. O ba susun kita capital bi a odi be university wo Ghana. Enti na ba na oba ye no. In fact nyanse wo mpa anything. Si en deporting na. Eno kwa nkoda nchen. Die wo ka no ho na nadamfo na wo de na ba na. Ono ye kasa wo fie ha o kasa bi ti se de. Ono ka no wa wo no. Ono so free hin. Ah me show din wo so so de sa. Eno de ti fie ha. Osole aduane obedi nya aduane ketewa. Odi me yam miti sa netim. No wa. Na sa efunu piefu sa no. Ehe ne de fa. Efunu ma sante hene sa no. Ana wa besie no. Mi bi sa. Shebi bi yo.
Na woni bi. But for say asama no crash on pe. Do na nya ya ti.
Man, you're just useless, man. I don't have anything to do with man. Shit. What the fuck are you talking about, man?
Yeah, bro. What shit? What about the movie?
Yeah.
Was that piece of live production? They just took until one. The movie we watched in America.
Oh, yeah, for real. This is good, man. You like it, huh?
I like it. You understand?
Hey, Elias.
Pops, you know what? There's something really important to go do in town. Can I have some money?
No. Skabieni ho. Minis kabia me de mama.
Pops, this is really good, big business I'm talking about here. Peter, am I lying?
No, don't you know lie, man. Now listen, Pops. I got this business partner coming from the States, man. With full load of container, man, with goods, cooking oil, some other things, bro. And he wanna make us the supplier an entire continent in Africa.
Shut up!
Man, what do you know about business? In fact, you are a complete crook. When you're young kasa, I was shopping one on a different baby. What do you think you'll get money from?
You're talking to double big investment, man. Yeah.
Don't give them a dime. You don't have.
You're talking to double big.
What do you fucking hate me?
I hate you because my papa open. I never said.
Will you
never
sit down?
wanted any good for me.
Change it now.
You never wanted anything good for
Will
me.
you sit down?
Yeah, so
no be so so be fia. Unti tria. Make a tree. No more qual interpret. Listen to me. Do you know how I make my money? Huh? You guys, I know you never stop lying. Today this, tomorrow that. Not even a dime. And for your information, if you no more shopping, no more outing, no more stupid motherfucker business.
No, man, damn! I'm not a dog, man. You're not gonna bring me home, man.
Not fair. It is not fair.
Damn, I have the right to live my life, man. Damn. What's that?
You see, this is not fair. I wish my mom were here to see how you treated me. Just come and $5,000. See this? You're making me, I'm afraid, cry.
You hear that? You're making him cry now, man. Shit.
Let me tell you
Why? Damn.
Ever since I moved to America, I've given you more than 10,000 Ghana cedis. You are saying common fact is not, it's 10,000 Ghana cedis.
What would you be by?
Annie, how much 10,000 Ghana cedis if you need to make it? One change here, Miss will never change. Once a son, Miss Mrs. Peter and Conco Shian over the Polaba. 2 devils. Out.
You're talking to CEO.
Get up from me.
Double bill investment, man.
See what?
CEO double bill investment.
Out.
Yeah, Google my name, man. Google his name.
Get out.
Yeah, big business back there in the States, man. Damn. What's that? What did they tell you, man?
Chronic teeth.
It's not good, man. You, Papa Bunny, man. Papa Bunny Pa. That's who you are, man. What? You don't do this in the States.
Who told you?
Not do this in the state. You understand?
Me and Papa Bunny.
Yeah, Papa Bunny Pa. I'm the right one. That's why you are, man. Shit.
Hey! Get over here!
Yeah, man. Stop shouting, man.
Hey, what's up?
Papa Bunny,
Get over here! Out!
Yeah.
Out! Out!
Hey, you better watch out. I'ma do with you. You understand?
Why don't we go for the local and I'm on the boat?
So
I will be in my room for now. Please. Please. Now the work for never see your soul. But and not here, then never see your son. Yet Cassandra and only done this on your business. I will not take this. In fact, I'm very tired, my bread.
Abrantia stati shirikri. Oceans was me Papa Bunny. I don't know what to follow next. Me a Papa Bunny.
Boy Sabro! Boy Sabro! Boy Sabro! Peter and Paul, very small and wise, yo. Boy Sabro!
Hey, yo, bro. What's up? You're not getting money in there. Do you understand? We've got no money to spend.
You mean your friend didn't give you anything?
No.
Oh,
We don't get anything in the house.
What? Man, I have been stuck at the point, man. For crying out loud, what am I doing here? Listen, this is Little P, the king of the fucking street. Man, look at me moving around the town without money in my pocket. It's not possible, man. Man, what's going on? I'm gonna fuck out of here.
Your body, I fucking feel you, bro. But listen, this is Ghana. Do you understand? We are in Ghana. The street ain't like it is in California, New York, or LA. Do you understand?
Yes,
here in Ghana, you can have some money on you before the street recognize you. Do you understand? And now Pops have blocked every means to make money, courtesy of my wicked stepmama, who wants everything my dad had for herself.
Hey, buddy, listen. We're gonna hit the street tonight. We must make money tonight. We must hit the street tonight. We must make some dough. The LD. Come on, do you remember the ladies out there? Man, they need to be touched, man. You need to feed them. You need to, shake that ball, man. Little P with that cash in his pocket.
Hey, you, bro.
Fuck them.
I got it. Pops might have blocked the physical cash.
Yeah, pretty cool, man. Damn. Who's calling? You sure you know your friend? Check out. Is that him?
Oh, no.
Tell him that we need some money. Is that him?
No.
Oh, fuck, man.
You know what? Dad might have blocked the physical cash, but he has not blocked asset. Do you understand? So I know what to do. You gotta follow me down, okay? And I'm gonna fill you in later. Do you understand?
I don't get you, buddy. What are you talking about?
I said follow me to the town, and I know what you do. Do you understand?
For real?
Oh yeah.
You sure?
Oh yeah.
Then what are we waiting for? Let's go, man. Hello?
Oh yeah, hello. Hi. What's this?
Hey, yo.
Yeah.
Yeah. How you doing? How you doing?
Very, very fine. How are you?
Yeah. Yeah, we cool.
How may I help you?
Okay. My name is Paul.
And I'm Peter.
Yeah.
Okay. And I'm also Stephen.
Oh, you're welcome, man.
Nice meeting you.
Double P. Do you understand?
Yeah.
You already said hands.
This is double P,
Yeah, also in
okay?
the same
You
house.
understand?
What do you need?
Okay.
To business.
Okay. Are you in business?
For real, as you can see.
Are you sure you're in business?
I'm in business.
No, not just business. Are you business? I mean big business.
I'm in business.
Okay, you're meeting the right people.
Okay.
Alright? Oh yeah. Yeah. See, listen, let me tell you something. You just came in from the States, okay? I have some business for you.
Really?
You see, we have some containers, okay, coming over from America.
Containers?
Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
What do you have inside? Is it the tips or what?
Oh, free. Yeah, we have good products, man. A lot of good stuff. Products, man. Take him.
Buy everything.
Talk to him.
Yeah, the same ones, right?
Where did you see? When you get America now,
Okay, now okay.
Scout. Na normal habo eba. And no crowd of them say. You understand? In your money. Near television set you go and no I cake. But one I am mono mouth. So what you say? In the brown now just come here. No money back. You give back to company.
No problem. So,
oh, why not?
You gotta be the sole distributor.
You understand? You gotta be the sole distributor. Do you understand?
Yeah.
I will do just that for you.
You got 31 inches. Do you understand?
No, that is 32 Polaroid. 32 inches.
32?
Very nice.
Polaroid?
Polaroid.
You understand? We've got 42 inches in the house. Polaroid is not popular. It is not fame. We've got Samsung, we've got LG, we've got LC in the house.
Those
you
are
understand?
the brands that they like when they
Yeah, those are popular brands. And we've got 42.
Yeah, listen.
So you're gonna agree? Are we gonna make business?
Yeah.
What we done?
Don't worry, I'll buy that. I'll buy everything.
Listen,
Okay,
you
I'll
forgot to
just
tell
buy
you
them.
something, okay? We have 150 inches television set in that container.
Wow.
When they arrive, we're gonna dash it to you. We're gonna give it to you, okay?
Thanks in advance.
Welcome. Alright.
Thanks in advance. Okay.
Are you in business?
For real? I'm in business, big time business.
For
Okay.
real?
Don't worry, you're in safe hands. Okay.
You save us too.
For real?
If you don't mind, we can go now. Okay.
Yeah,
Don't worry about money. Money is safe. Don't worry about money.
You have some money?
Oh, come on.
Are you ready?
Cash. Do you understand?
I don't give
with
checks.
checks.
I'll give you
Do
cash.
understand?
I'll give you cash.
How much do you sell this?
Okay. Normally, but now you are becoming my partner. That's okay. It's 800 actually.
Some of the top cities.
No money.
How much is it in dollars? Some of the top cities.
He's talking about $32. Do you understand? $32.
Wow, that's the money, man. That's chicken change, man. Damn.
Boy, we're gonna make it big. Do you understand?
No,
Yeah.
but what yours? You are
We're
saying
gonna
it is-
register your name on with the company. Do you understand? And you're gonna be the sole distributor. You understand?
Thank you. Thank you.
So let's go.
Please give me a second. Abasi! Abasi! Yeah, so fine. Abasi! Mr. Sister Machi, I want to have a wife. Who's the boy that you? Not fine.
Because did it.
Now, chance is the mama. Don't push her.
Yeah, I did.
This is
Who you
your
brought?
father. Why?
You pay? You brothers?
Let's go. No, he's my
Brothers,
sister.
you got some money in here?
Oh, I didn't.
You got chilled. You got chilled.
There's some teeth that they sell and they say they're coming from America.
You better watch over that shop, okay?
Hey, you can watch your back.
Alright.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Okay.
Alright. Take it easy.
Yeah, don't worry. It is my job, so I know how to handle it.
I know, no problem. You good?
Okay, yeah.
Alright.
It's okay. Don't wait. Okay, sorry. Your money.
Is that all you want to pay?
That's 800. We agreed on 800. You see, we are now starting business, so you take this for now.
It's alright, no problem.
Okay. Thank you very much, Dan. Nice doing business with you.
Alright, take care.
Thank you.
Have fun.
So I'll give Ice a call. When the goods come, then
No
let me
problem.
know.
Wow! We are doing wow! See, we gotta go out and celebrate tonight. We gotta get some sweet volume bass. Do you understand?
Well, let me tell you something, man.
Oh yeah?
My heart is about exploding.
Oh
Man,
yeah!
Party hard, party hard, party hard. Man, shut this booty, man. He's getting stuck, man. That's what I'm saying.
What are we gonna tell Pops when he comes in?
Damn, forgot about that, man. We're watching the TV, suddenly it turned blank. We'll call the repairer then.
We sent it to him, huh? Boy, you a damn criminal, Jimmy.
That's why you're my bro, man.
Oh, we can go.
Hey, listen, man. Call those guys, man. And I will come into the house.
Every TV entity, including 47. How come TV entity are back? Then the one you are getting Kakaka, if you're not moving, every watch. I'm for thieves, criminals, and robbers.
Now tell me, what's the difference between the two of you and hardened criminals? Tell me.
There's no difference.
Huh?
Man, Pops will be telling the truth, man.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We took it to the fucking repair.
Shut up about it! Who Peter? And then they just say, Santa Casa, no, what I can. When you're Santa Libya, me what? Ever since I got fast, my city in the town, which is why I was a Ukumaka Sapa won't help you. Where is the TV? I for tips. They sold it. Oh, Chevy.
Sass, you know she doesn't like me no more.
Will you shut up, boy? You women jump on you. By the way, you see, I've conducted my own investigation. And I've come to realize that the TV now is stolen by the two of you. Peter, that's not out here. Who can force that thing one way? Edit my chroma. Someone bad man, I don't tell you. I will never allow that. Inshallah, you don't know.
Just say, what I don't really understand, you, Kwame. Don't you have, where is your house? Don't you have any home in Ghana? What are you doing in my house?
What? Damn! Let me tell you, man. You calling me demon, threatening me with a gun?
That's right.
No way, man. Shit. This can't happen in America, man. I'm entitled to my own lawyer and the jury.
We'll treat you not a pampas lawyer. What? But now you two should listen to me. We will treat you guys just the way we treat armed robbers in this country. And we kill them, shoot them.
Pops. We deserve to be tried in the competent court of law before. You don't listen to her.
Tell them, man. Shit.
One word from you and I will skin you alive. Do you understand? But maybe I'm not on TV. No. I know where you saw the TV and I know what to do. Out! Out!
Out of line.
Get out from here!
I feel that change is right, man.
Out of line. Oh, did you get me out of line? Huh? Is it the only thing you can do? Oh, so you just threaten them with a gun and that's it? Yeah? You're far TV, no. Tomorrow it will be your car. Atoma. Huh? What will be chimney for? So we saw some windy. And I do the one who saw the enemy. What? No bano man, Koda. I was some other. And no bano Koda. What you so bano? Anyway, Jamie, trying to do it. What we saw you know about the Susu. I want to do what's a move here. Open can be big action and so much permanent future. Why are you so wounded? Ale! And so you. O probably nada. Kona no bano Koda. And now Banama make us some other than you Koda. And try naming and casting your punch and one and pass her and mamma move for you. Not on to some young convinced. You know who send your master of Yassi. The most who will never so much like that. Would you share? And so we cry. Does it come to this? So, say, drain. Or come on over party with one. Quite to manage. Monsieur Quaddy Demo, no, I know funny thing I a mobile and found a torso. You will consume me. For you, one now, one was so solid. Papa was fabulous for how I can't what is here. I said that Baba pulling a wagon and I started. And so you, that's it.
Boys are brave. Peter and Paul, very small and wise, yo. Boys are brave.
Abaya.
Wow, you got it.
Hey, about.
You got it.
I want to buy. Oh, we in the HO, right? And the children, I go. Okay. What's good, Daddy? And the young boy. Yeah, but that man is him. I'm Mamma, try me. Ah, never. Any young cousin complex. I'm on Castle Cross. Now, go back. A friend of my phone. Oh, come on. I'm down. Say, who now? Some who fear? Must come. Young one, I say, two good young boy. Because I said, time manage, like I said. You ain't much about you. Why when you been grass you? You come with Finning and America, young say. And my parents can have a best have a chance here. Made me and a good. Let me know never change me. They will come and make you a Benjamin. Me no buy a member to say out. Gini apa ya sih? Ini aku. After one so. No da. Kore. O bebe. Sani number ni sun fi. Number ni re. Fi biya ni abre. Ako fa abre. Ko bo ni ako ma. O he, nan ko tini o sa na ka o. So ya le petina ko no. Any heaven.
Peter and Paul, very small and wise, yo. Boys are brave.
Pops ain't gonna let us off the hook this time around. We gotta do something fast before we go completely nuts. You understand?
Yeah, bro, I got you, man. We have closed down the streets in the States, man. We are fucking wanted men in the streets. The police are looking for us. The drug lords are ready to fuck this black ass. Being down to America means we are fucking ready to get shut down. Don't you get that?
Bro, are we staying with this stepmama of mine? Means we gotta go completely crazy. We gotta end up in the psychiatrist's home. You better think. Think! We gotta get out of Ghana, do you understand? We gotta get out of this fucking place.
Wow, man. I got you, bro. I got you, bro. Listen, bro. We have to smuggle ourselves back to Europe. You know, we have many contacts. They're gonna help us to achieve our American dream away from America, bro.
Oh yeah. We got really good fucking contacts outside America, all over Europe. But we can still live the American dream in Europe. Do you understand? Bro, we can still live the American dream in Europe. It's a good idea. You understand? But how do we get out of Ghana?
Wow, man.
How do we get out of Ghana?
I don't know,
I got
man.
it.
You have
I
to
got it.
figure it out. You know the
I
rules.
got it. Bro, we gotta use the damage control. Do you understand?
What you said?
We gotta use the damage control.
You sure about that? For real?
Oh yeah.
Damn! You're the baddest guy you ever lived, man.
I'm a real nigga, do you understand?
Shit! Who taught you that, man?
You're dealing with a real nigga, do you understand?
Wow, man.
I got all contacts.
Sip your drink, bro.
Oh yeah.
That's where we got to follow,
Oh
man.
yeah.
Sip your drink, bro. Tired here, man. Shit.
Yeah.
I can't wait to get out of here, man. So that's it, bro. So we fucking dig into your reputation, okay? And we find out that you are the only guy that can do this for us. Okay? Just need the visa to Europe. Can you do that?
You know something? You people are at the right place. I've been in this business for the past 7 years.
7
Yeah.
years? For real?
For real. And I've secured visas for so many people who want to travel out of Ghana. So your problem is not a big problem. I can get you visas to any country, depending on your pocket.
Wow, right, man.
Oh. Hey, yo, bro. So how much are we talking about here?
Let me see. Which country?
Germany.
Okay, a minute.
You better hurry up. We're running out of time.
You know something?
Yeah.
$10,000 all inclusive.
10,000
Really
US dollars?
Yeah.
With the air ticket?
Everything. That's why I said
The visa?
inclusive. Everything.
Who'd you do?
The Queen America.
What's our GD?
The Queen America. Me to me find me
What's our water? I know what country we have.
No, what can I do?
No work.
Get back to your son.
Okay.
We're gonna let you hear it from us, do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay?
10,000 US dollars, you said?
$10,000.
Whatever. You go to the house, do you understand?
Can I have Vicky?
Go to the house. My shoes, my slippers. Bring some from in public. Slippers in the bra. Why? Yeah.
Do you have some money in your pocket?
No.
Hey, excuse me, man. Okay, take it. Yeah. Yeah, hello. Yes, we're here, man. Where are you? Right here in the car. Yes. We're here. Okay. Yeah, no problem. All right. Yeah.
Yeah, Papa. Avi. Where's the car? Is this the car?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Access.
Oh, nice.
Access.
Nice, zip. Fine. Let me check inside, right?
Oh, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah. You can check the back. You want me to start it?
No, I'm okay, right. Okay, so everything's intact. I have the money. So let's go to office and sign the document, right?
Okay. It's 25,000.
No problem. It's no big deal. Let's go, right?
Okay.
So you drive it and let's go.
Alright.
Okay.
Niggas get hallelujah.
I'm fan and until so back and find the car and corner. Mamunyano, Madam Sir. Take him out. Out! Watch it.
Listen to me. I'm not small boy. I'm 19 years. Leave my daughter alone to me.
We're trying to take
you
your daughter to America.
alone to me. No, follow my daughter. You can If you got you, I'll use mental for go say. What is yeah?
Don't provoke me. If you provoke me, I will do something crazy to you, man. Okay?
Sure, go on. Hey!
Nana Bunny.
Nana.
Yeah. We are Nana Bunny.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Fuck off. Yeah. You too, man.
Me can't win.
Yeah, you
Two.
Fuck off. No one agree. No one agree. Boys agree. Boys agree. Boys agree. Damn. C'est la délice, il va bien quoi.
C'est ça, je vois tes déchets. C'est le soir, là comme ça, bébé.
Ah, pour ma bébé. Ah, pour
la souffle.
Wanna see us together, but it don't matter, no. 'Cause I got you, babe. Nobody wanna see us together, but it don't matter.